Welcome aboard! In this lesson, we're going to take our first guided tour of the AWS Management Console, the mission control for everything you'll do on AWS. Once you log in, you'll land on this AWS Console homepage. It might look busy at first, but don't worry, we'll try and break it down piece by piece. At the top, you'll see the search bar, your best friend in the console. You can quickly search for services, for example, EC2, S3, or IAM without clicking through menus. Right below that is your recent history, so you can jump back to services you've used before. Note, this section might be empty for you since you have not launched any services yet if you just created your account. You'll also notice a region selector near the top right corner. That's where you choose the geographic location where your resources will live. Picking the right region can impact performance and cost, as we discussed in the previous lesson. Next to the region selector, you'll spot your account name. Clicking on the account name reveals a drop-down with quick access to the account ID, a 12-digit number that uniquely identifies your account. This is especially handy when managing multiple AWS environments. The application style shows any applications created on the account and provides access to start creating a new one. Finally, for this tour, the cost and usage tile. This tile shows the current month cost and also forecasted month-end cost. The costs are broken down by service so that it's easy to see the service you're spending the most on. Now that you've had your first tour, you're officially familiar with the AWS console. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.